guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to be back. I know I took a few days off. I did tell you guys in my last video that I would be filming less because life is hectic right now, but I'm not stopping YouTube. I had quite a few people say, oh, please don't stop. No, I'm not stopping YouTube. I'm just taking time for myself and also my family, and a lot's going on right now, so I am not stopping YouTube, but you will be seeing less of me. But I'm here today and I look so white, and I don't know what's going on with the settings on my camera. I don't have time to mess with it because I have somewhere to go today, so the settings are off, so I feel like a geisha girl. Alright guys, so I have the most beautiful bag. I think of all the bags I've ever gotten in my entire life, and I'm not just saying this. This is my #1 favorite for many, many reasons. You guys, I have been so in awe of this bag since I got it. And I've had it for a couple of weeks now, and I'm just getting around to filming this video, but I'm not going to dilly-dally. It's already been unboxed. I am using it today. So let's just go ahead and check out the beauty that is this gorgeous bag. What? You got another Birkin? No, this is a NAOMI crafted bag. This is the most gorgeous bag, and if you guys remember, I had a Birkin in the same colorway, black with silver, and I loved it, but it was a 35 and it was just too heavy. This is a NAOMI crafted bag, and you can see where she put YotaStyle. This bag is every bit, if not better. It's better. Not if not. It is better than the Birkin bag that I had. The size is better for me. The workmanship is immaculate. Not that the other one wasn't, but who would ever know the difference? And it's not like I'm going around trying to fool people, because I am more than thrilled and proud to say this bag was made by my very good friend NAOMI. And yes, it was made in China. I'm not even gonna go there, you guys. People act like they just never knew, okay? But this bag is immaculate. Look at the sides. Look at the stitching on this bag. Well, the stitching is the same color, but the stitching is immaculate. The glazing is immaculate. The back, look at that. Look at that. You can see some of her stitching. To me, this bag is more special than any Birkin could ever be, because #1, NAOMI made it just for me. This is my bag, my NAOMI bag. I will never call it a Birkin because it's not a Birkin. Birkin who? You ask? Why would anybody want to get on a waiting list for 2 or 3 years to get the perfect bag when you can go straight to NAOMI? You guys, in fact, I'm just going to go ahead and spill the tea. I have another one coming. Yes, I do. I'm not going to tell you which bag, but I have another bag coming from NAOMI. NAOMI crafted. She is a master artisan at her craft. Master artisan. The hardware is immaculate, and I love that it says YotaStyle. I love that because that's how I met her. Now my next bag, I'm going to have my name and NAOMI crafted on it, but this bag, oh my gosh, you guys, it gives me all the feels. I'm so in love. And you guys, she did not ask me to do this video. I ordered the bag myself. I paid for the bag myself. But I have got to share with you guys, and I know that many of you are familiar with NAOMI. And if you're not, go to her website. She can take old bags and make them new again. She can take old bags and make something totally different. She can do anything you want her to do. You guys, this is one of many because I have other ideas of things that I want. But you guys, my dream Birkin used to be black and silver, and I had one in 35. And this bag, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna say it's better. It is better because it was made just for me. And I know I'm starting to repeat myself, but I'm just, when I look at it, my heart goes pitter patter. You know, like it used to when I looked at Keith. 20 years ago. No, I'm just kidding. My heart really does skip a beat when I look at this bag. And it came, the hardware was covered. As a matter of fact, I still have the covering on the feet. I'm going to go ahead and take that off because I don't like to keep covering. I don't like to keep anything on my hardware. I just forgot to take it off. Everything is covered, and she sends it to you in immaculate condition. So if you guys are not familiar with NAOMI, you need to get familiar. If you have a dream bag, it doesn't have to be any kind of a Birkin look-alike. It doesn't matter what it is. If you just make it up, she can deliver. She is the most fabulous human. She is so kind, so sweet, so accommodating. She will send you videos and pictures. You just name it and NAOMI can do it, you guys. And NAOMI, you are a master at what you do. And I just cannot rave about NAOMI enough, you guys. And I'm sure she's blushing over there in China. But I love her so much. If I could just go over there and give her the biggest hug, I would. So I'm giving you a virtual hug, and I love you so much, NAOMI. I'm so happy to call you my friend because you're such a beautiful person inside and out. And with skills like this, you guys, with skills like this, who needs to pay $12,000, $15,000 for a bag just exactly like, no, nowhere near this wonderful, okay? Who needs to wait years? Who needs it? All you have to do is contact NAOMI and she will make your bag dreams come true. She does other things like charms. She can do pictures of loved ones or pets. You guys, check out her website because I have no words for this bag. I'm absolutely in love with my NAOMI bag. Okay, I think I look better now, but I'm not gonna refilm, you guys. I don't know what was going on with my camera, but I looked really washed out. Anyway, you guys, check out NAOMI's website. Just holding this bag, I feel the love. I feel the hard work that she put into it. Her dedication to her customers is unmatched, and she is a master skilled artisan. So, oh my gosh, you guys, and I'm not just saying it because she's my friend. I just love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna do a first impressions, and I guess this is my first impression, love at first sight, but I'm gonna come back with another video about this bag when I have a bit more time, but I just couldn't wait to show you guys. It's Togo leather. You can see that beautiful pebbling. Look at the stitching. You can tell the stitching on the back side. Immaculate. I just can't stop raving about it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, so that was what I wanted to show you. My absolute favorite bag ever until I get another one. I do have several bags that she sent me, but this one is specifically, you know, special to me because it was made just for me. I also have a garden party style bag made out of the canvas and the dust bag. She was doing all that before, and I believe she still has some stuff like that left over on her website, so check that out. But I love it. If you wanted a garden party style bag, she does those as well. She does everything, you guys. All right, so before I let you go for this video, I did want to show you a little reveal. The last video, I thought I was unboxing this, and then I realized it was a bag charm. But this is a Coach pearl handle. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's the C. And I had to have it. They have another one that's like a jeweled handle. But this one with the pearls, it spoke to me. It really did. You can use it as a bag charm. I was just holding it up to my NAOMI crafted bag, but you could use it lots of different ways. It is specifically called a short handle chain, and I know that I'm going to get quite a bit of use out of this, so I thought I would go ahead and show this beautiful Coach strap to you guys. And I do think that it would pair very well as a just bag ornament. I will have it linked below along with Naomi's website, so you guys contact her if there's anything that you want or need. I've got some other things, even smaller things in mind that I would like to have from Naomi. And I do have another bag coming. Not sure when that's going to be. I told Naomi, take your time, because there's going to be more and more bag requests from me. And I'm just so happy, you guys. I cannot tell you how happy I am. Let me just go ahead and show you another bag that I had painted, and I've been using it last week. It is a Portland leather good bag, and I had it at the gallery, and I had picked my things up from the gallery because I'm going to do other things with my art career. So I picked this up, and I'm so glad that it didn't sell. I might add a little more detail at the bottom of this mushroom, but I painted this myself. And if you have any bags, specifically I think Portland leather good bags are wonderful to paint on, or any bag really, but I am taking commissions. Just let me know. But I'm glad that this didn't sell, and I'm using it. I think it's a perfect little bag to run around during the week. It's just fun, and it always gets some attention. So just wanted to share that with you guys. And I'll be back Saturday. Yes, I will, because I have an awesome collaboration lined up. And yeah, so you guys will see me twice in 1 week, believe it or not. I'm just so thrilled to share this with you guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. If I ever make it to China, Naomi, you're gonna have to run me off with a dirty mop. You're like, oh gosh, here she comes. All right, guys, check out Naomi's website. Check out my description box. I will link this below. I always link my Lippie of the day. This is Hermes, my newest color. Can't remember what it was, but I will link it. And yeah, I always have some goodies down in the description box. And I will see you guys in a couple of days. Peace.